Hello everyone, today we're going to have a Docyt demo, so please watch till the end to properly understand the video. And if you want to create an account on Docyt, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Docyt is an AI-powered accounting automation software designed mainly for small and medium businesses. It helps simplify bookkeeping, financial reporting, and expense management by using automation instead of manual accounting tasks. So its key features, yes, of course, they have automated bookings to capture receipts and track employee expenses, bill pay, financial reporting to have a real-time dashboard and P&L reports, payroll integration, and etc. etc. And if you want, you can just go to their website right here and sign in. So before you can sign in, you need to schedule a demo to actually use the application itself. So it comes with a price. So what you're going to do is to click schedule a demo, input your name, last name, company, email, and also your phone number, and make sure to answer this. How did you find does it? And after that, you can schedule a free demo, and one of their agents will contact you to discuss how you can set up your account, how can you set up your application, and it comes with a price too. And that's it. So after that, you can just now go to and download Dosit application and use it. But for now, let's just discuss the how the Dosit itself, how it works, and how can you use it. So on the homepage, as you can see, there will be a headline showing their AI powered accounting. Scale your accounting firm with Copilot. So actually, they actually integrates Copilot, uh, highlighting AI powered accounting. It has a key benefits like saving time, reducing manual work, and gaining financial clarity. And they have call to action to book a demo, schedule a demo. Some customers testimonials and industry trust signals. And as you can see, yeah, right there. So they have generative AI, does it accountant copilot for accounting. You can review P&L and balance sheets, ensure accurate error-free financial reports, and your speed up your book closing process. So this is how it would look like on the application itself. And it also has collaboration tools, so smart mailroom that automates documents request processing and organization among teams. AI driven resolution function handles flag and transaction response for seamless accounting. So yes, as you can see, you can collaborate with other users too. And as you can see, does it AI helps customers. They have they can reduce revenue accounting errors by 94%, so that's actually good. And a bunch of this information right here. So under products, as you can see, under products, it showcased the Dosit main modules. And the first one is expense management. So accounting workflows, full bookkeeping AI. So this is where you can see the expense management, submit receipts, and auto categorization. So that's one of their features. Their bill pay, their financial reporting, their bookkeeping automation, AI-driven general ledger updates, payroll and integration, pay, PNL, PNI, so PNL, connect with existing systems, and each page shows how AI reduce repetitive accounting tasks. So, for example, this one, uh, precision AI plus generative AI, expense management made easy, so bill pay and continuous reconciliation of A&P ledgers, corporate credit card management and reconciliation, expense report automation, payments and reconciliation, automated receipt management, processing and reconciliation. So they have all of that right here. Automated revenue accounting and lightning fast man and closing real-time financial reporting automation. So they offer real-time balance sheet and P&L reporting powered by Docyt AI itself. So mostly Docyt use AI integration to, you know, make a fully automated bookkeeping. So under products too, you can see their integrations, their point of sales, business management system, and technology partners. So actually, they are partner with Stripe, Amazon, Visual Matrix, some of them big time companies, Oracle, Hospitality, Fossey, Hotel Key, Shopify too, and yeah, some of them. So you can see all of their integrations right here. They seamlessly connect Docyt with your point of sale or POS or business management system and automatically pull in your revenue, customer, and transaction data. And that's it. It's actually good. And for the Docyt Accountant Copilot, so you can see you can have an accountant copilot scale your accounting firm using AI bookkeeping. So this is actually the automated bookkeeping. So this is how it would look like. So accounting firms using accountant copilot, you can save 60 hours. You can have a 3 times faster growth, and you can have 90% fewer errors. You can automate coding and document intake. You can close books 5 times faster. You can audit ready financials every time, and real-time financials, not after the fact reports. Yeah, you can see all of them right here. And also they have built-in communication where work happens. You can, just create tasks and manage your messages, manage your people inside your workspace. And that's it for the products and under solution. So under solution, does it explain how different industries uses the platform? So by industry, accounting firms, or hotel too. So for example, in hotel, does it AI bookkeeping software for accountants and accounting firms? So one tech stack for your accounting firm's growth. Does it AI standardize your accounting process, increase efficiencies, provide real-time accounting, and drives profitability? And yes, that's it. So one AI bookkeeping software for all of your accounting workflows. Yeah, expenses, revenue, backpins. As I said earlier, yes, you can do it right here. So it actually they have one dashboard for all of your clients and daily tasks. So Docyt AI gives you all-in-one dashboard where you can manage daily tasks, documents, bill, receipts, transaction, and much more. So this is how it would look like. And yes, that's it. And for the hotels, you can convert financial insight into profit driving decisions. So Docyt is your hotel's profit and productivity hub. So Docyt AI powered bookkeeping and business intelligence platforms provide clarity into your hotel's financial health. Yes, that's it. So Docyt comprehensive work for hospitality. Of course, they have revenue management, as I said earlier, labor efficiency, expense management, general manager, engagement workflow, budget and planning, and advanced business intelligence reporting. And yes, that's it. So actually, does it integrates in varieties of industries, just like restaurants, franchise, professional services, small business owners, hotels, and hospitality. And this section shows use case tailored to specific industries, just like this. And under resources, so you can see blogs about them, blogs inside the Does It AI, articles about accounting trends, uh, automation and finance tip. And yeah, this is how it would look like. So tips for every step in your accounting workflow. You can see all of blogs that you can read in order to learn how to use Does It and how to improve your business inside Does It, your workflows. And also they have case studies, success stories, resource and events, guides and white papers to for educational content about AI in finance. And that's it. And lastly, you can see the pricing. So actually pricing is divided between two sections for hotels and for accounting firms. For hotels, it actually includes restaurants, hospitals, and the plan starts at 200 or $300 per month, and you can schedule a demo. So you can see it comes with a price, and actually it comes with a great benefits too. You can have AI bookkeeper, which is Gary. You can have chat functionality with precision AI and generative AI. You can have an AI agent, revenue reconciliation. You can pull revenue data from the revenue system to the bank. You can have revenue transaction categorization, automated reconciliation, revenue deficit tracking, revenue system connection. and yeah, some and other other features. And if you want to learn more, you can just click expand to you know more features inside these subscriptions. And yes, that's it. So if you want, you can just schedule a demo, pay $300 per month, and you can just freely you can just now use the Docyt application. And in short, Docyt Does it shows how their AI driven accounting saves times and money, gives industry specific solutions, and encourage businesses to schedule a demo. So this is what you can see on their website, displaying flat pricing. So $300 per month. And that's it. So if you want, you can just schedule a demo, and right there, make an account, talk to an agent to set up your account, and that's it. You can now use Docyt. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.